Welcome back guys to yet another episode, and I welcome you to this internet avail. And in today's video we are going to look into how you can get to delete a Facebook account in just some simple steps. So first thing first, you need to open your Facebook account. As you can see, I'm right here on my account, and I want you to come to this menu section right here, and you get to scroll down here till to the point whereby you're going to see setting and privacy. You may also see also there's that meta, help and support, but for today we'll be focusing on head to the setting and privacy section. So you also need to come to these settings, the tab that's just below the setting and privacy. We also have the setting option right there. So you just need to click here and get to type delete. Just get to search delete Facebook, delete Facebook. You just need to click delete account. So I just need to give it time for it to search, and you're going to come to this option right here. You will be seeing reactivate your accounts right there, and then you're going to see one of your accounts, which that's the account you want to delete. So just get to choose that account and get to proceed to the next option. So I'll just select my account. Unfortunately, add or so you just need to come to choose the account. You choose the account, of course, and that's my account. And then you need to make sure you confirm the avatar to make sure that that's the account that you want to delete for sure. So that's how easy it is for you to delete an account. You can say add or remove your account from this account center. Removing an account will also remove the profiles managed by that account. So that's how easy it is for you to delete a Facebook account. And hopefully, since this is just for purpose of just illustration, you can just come here, just choose just search delete. I'm supposed to just serve the purpose. So just click delete, and it's going to take you right away to the option of deleting the account. So that's how easy it is to delete a Facebook account. Hopefully you found the video helpful and educative.